In the scorching heat of the desert, a parrot and his baby bring a small mango seed. They decide to plant it in the desert. Every day they bring water from far away. Finally, a small plant sprouts. Then, slowly it grows bigger. And after years, it becomes a beautiful mango tree. The father parrot starts crying. Nobody.
Dad, look how many birds come to this tree to eat mangoes and rest. This is our real lake.
The father parrot becomes happy. Our true reward is in making others happy. If you enjoyed this story, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.